Good evening and welcome back to the Diamond H. Marty here. I decided to do a short video on today's accomplishments, which entailed finishing installing assembling the rest of my stump grinder from Mechmax SG24. Had to put the rest of the guards on and just basically set up everything else there is to do with setting up a new stump grinder and installing the PTO shaft, torquing all the teeth, bolts, everything. And then later on this evening, my son-in-law helped me finish the installation of my side floodlights and the rear floodlight on my T474. We tested it out a week or so ago, and it was going to work great. Lots of things got in the way. Wasn't able to finish that project. If you remember my 200-hour review on my tractor, I had a rat's nest of wires rolled up ready to be routed and everything else. Well, we finally got that done today, and got the wires routed, everything hooked up, everything waterproofed and sitting on go. And then I took it for a test ride out here. It got dark real fast tonight, so I took it for a test ride and took several pictures, not only of the lights, but also accomplished getting my camera system set back up today, and still haven't found a favorite place for that camera, but right now it's in a fairly good position to see that rotor on that stump grinder. I did test the stump grinder today on about 3 or 4 good sized stumps, some of them 18-inch diameter. It just went through them like butter. I only had one that was a very hardwood oak, and it was, I'd say 2 or 3 years been cut down. So after I got past the first 2 or 3 inches of that stump, it got pretty hard, and still didn't have any problems pulling through that stump. So I did two or three test stumps today just to see how it was operating, because I've been working on getting that thing installed, and I wanted to see how it operated. I didn't get any footage of that because I plan on doing a full-length video on testing that stump grinder. So stay tuned, and you'll get to see everything you want to see about that stump grinder doing this job. But for today, I did some test runs just to see how it did, and realized that I absolutely had that. My 12-volt accessory plug on my tractor had some rust in the bottom from being stored before I got my tractor shed built. So I tried cleaning that up, and that didn't work. Anyway, long story short, we got that 12-volt accessory plug totally replaced also, and might as well add that to the accomplishments today. So we got power restored, got the camera system back in place, got the lights hardwired like they should be, all tucked away nice and neat, and now they're outside taking a nap out in the tractor shed. So anyway, let me shut up and show you what little footage I did on today's accomplishments. Hope you enjoy the video. Thanks for watching, and come back to see us here at the Diamond H.